Here's a quick sneak peek at one of my latest goodies. I've got 3 of these audio wave dual mono amplifiers. I spec these for a special build I'm busy with. This is the first set of white audio waves to land in the country. They're dual monos, which means it has a left channel and a right channel, which is controlled independently. The build quality on these amplifiers are truly remarkable. I've never seen anything like it. Every last detail is really well thought out. The grade of the connectors used, everything is really top notch. I can't wait to get these into my build and listen to what they sound like and hear the difference. Each of these amplifiers come with its own user manual. The user manual pretty much is dedicated to the amplifier. It tells you, gives you all your basic info, but this is the most interesting thing. You'll see every bit of information is filled in and is unique to the amplifier. Left and right tolerances are really close. You can see this is a high grade amplifier. Anyway, thanks for watching.